Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us a guest from Canara Hsbc. He is a Chief Distribution Officer, Alternate Channel and Chief Marketing Officer of Canara Hsbc Life Insurance Company Limited. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Vivek. Pleasure to be on the show.
Sir, my first question to you is कि IRDA has come out with a slogan that insurance for all by 2047. What is your take on that? Whether it is possible, it is not possible, or what do you see to it?
Right. Vivek, I think the regulators' intent and vision is very clear. In terms of 2047 will be obviously the 100 years of our journey as an independent nation, and it's a very big milestone. And therefore, it is, also a big milestone for the insurance industry. And I think the regulators' intent is quite clear that the insurance penetration in the country is what we all have to, as an insurance ecosystem, strive to increase. And that is a very large task, given the fact that India is a very large and diverse country with a large part of our population is actually in various parts of the pyramid. So there is a significant bottom of the pyramid as well. And outreach and distribution is needed to kind of get to this, unique kind of a milestone. So I think the intent is very, very clear and explicit, which is that, we should be looking at, a complete coverage of all people by 2047. And I think that with the joint efforts of the industry, the entire industry's insurance ecosystem, including distributors, potential distributors of insurance in the country, the insurers, reinsurers, as well as the regulator itself. If we all work together with a clear-minded purpose, then I think it is definitely something which we can strive to achieve.
What is the role of an insurance company in this?
So, as an insurance company, obviously we are, providing the insurance products to the customers, and we are obviously working with the entire distribution, whether it is through external distribution or through the employees of the company, to actually promote and market our products to the workforce. So when we go to a more mass market population, and we go to for example, the customers who are customers of our banks, or for even rural banks, or customers in various far-flung areas of the country, I think the needs from a customer perspective are largely the same. Of course, they change on account of the customer's social standing, his economic standing, and all, but the fundamental needs are the same. They are true for all Indians, which is essentially the need for protection, the need for guaranteed savings, the need for being able to build a corpus for retirement, for the benefit of their children. And these needs are true for everybody, whether the person is staying in a remote village, or whether the person is actually staying in a city. So therefore, these points are relevant for everybody, and therefore insurance companies have to recognize these different approaches that are needed to meet the requirements of people all over India, and ensure that we reach the last mile. So I think the core issue here is how do we make sure that we get to the last mile, in terms of making people aware, as well as being able to distribute and sell relevant products to all our customers, potential customers in India. So I think insurance companies have a very strong role to play in the achievement of this milestone. Yes, of course, it will not happen purely on the efforts of the insurance companies alone. It will need a lot of partnership with the entities which are already there and are actually serving or reaching out to customers in far-flung areas, in even in regular areas, but of a different or a lower bottom of the pyramid economic strata. So we'll have to leverage on such ecosystems to be able to create awareness and then potential for insurance.
What HSBC, Canara HSBC is doing in this direction? Means what specifically your life insurance company is doing in this direction?
So as Canara HSBC Life, we have been working closely with, as you are aware, we are, our shareholders are banks, and including public sector banks. So we have always been, utilizing, the bank's infrastructure, as well as the fact that they have already a very, far-flung reach among the entire population of India. So we do sell our products through the bank, I mean Canara Bank, as well as various regional rural banks which are also part of Canara Bank or otherwise as well. And we have been utilizing all possible channels to reach out to customers. I think there is another important point to note. We have in PMJJBY, which is a common standard product, which is a basic and simple product that is available to ensure that everybody can purchase a life insurance at a basic 2 lakh rupees sum assured. Then that also we have been very actively working with our partner banks to make sure that we have the adequate amount of coverage. I think by use of such schemes and by use of distribution that already exists, Canara HSBC Life has been trying to make sure that our we reach out to a large number of customers. So we are also contributing to the whole story of increasing India's insurance penetration in that manner.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time, valuable time, and we will be in touch with you for more updates in time to come.
Thank you, Vivek. Pleasure to answer your questions regarding insurance penetration, and look forward to further engagement as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.